In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best bathroom vanities in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which bathroom vanities is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Eviva Happy Bathroom Vanity. Strong timber, solid timber building, closet is put together as well as awaits installation. Hardware consisted of soft closing doors and drawers, includes pure white Carrara marble countertop and a white porcelain sink, one pre-drilled tap opening. Upgrade your shower room with contemporary charm. Transform your washroom into a contemporary work of practical appeal by adding this restroom vanity for the washroom. This solitary tap washroom vanity cupboard and also sink boasts clean lines and contemporary outlining, like a solid porcelain surface area top, white porcelain container, streamlined hardware, storage space drawers or cabinet, as well as stylish modern feet. 30 shower room vanity with sink attributes all the components needed for a fast, easy and cost-effective upgrade. Created of premium material crafted with a strong waterproof wood base, this contemporary washroom vanity and also sink combination is matched with a solid marble surface top, streamlined, stylish steel hardware, a resilient porcelain basin, and also a useful layout that features a storage space drawer and also a closet for stocking shower room essentials. Style and performance created for resilience and long-lasting appeal, this vanity for cabinet washroom sink is outfitted with all the modern information needed for a complete shower room overhaul. The washroom vanity is styled with abundant contemporary color and is created. Here is the item number 4, Oneline 36-inch bathroom vanity. Sturdy and also sturdy structure. The MDF board is designed to not just hold up against dangers of wetness and also moisture, but additionally easy to tidy and also preserve. This ensures your excellent quality of life. Superior stainless steel rail. International popular brand name DTC rail is durable and has gotten approved for numerous thousand times tiredness tests. Enough storage space. Room 2 tiers inside the doors. Several drawers provides additional huge space for storage space, as well as make the space clean and tidy. Modern undermount sink as well as mirror. The ceramic vessel sink deal with long-lasting use. Smooth surface area is simple to tidy as well as get rid of the stain. The mirror uses a high-def mirror for clear imaging. Assembly required. Easy to construct. Delivering with 2 separate bundles. This modern restroom vanity has a large storage capacity and also high-cost performance. This set requires to mount and also you can get it done quickly following the installation instruction. As the specialist vanity maker, we pay more focus to item details, such as stainless steel barrier joints, storage space, as well as structure. We hope you are happy with our item every day. Its luxury layout will certainly brighten your shower room as well as include value to your building. The item number 3, HOMECART 30-inch Gray Vanity. Key sink closet dimension, 18.4*32*30 30-inch, sink size, 16.5 and *5.5, faucet elevation, 12-inch. Material, eco-friend MDF timber plus waterproof paint totally free surface plus stainless steel hardware. Please notification, the top is a synthetic layer surface, not real marble. This item calls for installation and also will certainly be delivered in a number of boxes. This gray single-top vanity cabinet has a paint cost-free surface area, gorgeous marble pattern countertop, and modern design, easy install structure, weights over 110 pounds, sturdy as well as stable. We offer lifelong after-sale service and other combinations. If you have other needs, please contact. Number 2 in our list, Vanity Art 30-inch single. Storage space as well as ability, 2 dovetailed cabinets and also a big folding door cabinet can arrange all your washroom accessories. Sufficient area with the 30-inch large table surface. Mirror as well as sink. The vanity mirror supplies a full view, so you can ensure you look terrific from every angle. There is a quartz top as well as a ceramic vessel sink in the vanity closet. Dimension: shower room vanity cabinet dimension is 30x 18.5x 36 inches. This grown-up height vanity established offers sufficient area for all of your bathroom devices. Setup: this restroom vanity closet collection is virtually entirely put together, merely add the mirror on top of the vanity and it's alright for use. Vital for any washroom, the classy appearances, as well as solid building, means it would last more than time, and definitely this lovely washroom vanity collection will certainly be an ideal present. Vanity Art Bathroom Vanity Set flaunts a matching mounted huge mirror, a clean white rectangle-shaped vanity top as well a container to brighten any kind of master bathroom. The smooth white magnificent quartz adds a touch of deluxe to the shower room. The top quality oak timber, white quartz, and also shade make each vanity a unique piece. Each private item is crafted from the finest materials for uncompromising top quality and also durability. The top one in our list, Modway Render Mid-Century. Top quality building sitting atop tapered legs. This vanity features an MDF and particle board structure with walnut grain laminate. The ceramic container and also integrated kitchen counter create a functional design. Shower room storage space: organize your restroom and also keep the visual area clean with the under-sink storage of this washroom vanity. A flexible rack behind 2 soft closed doors supplies enough storage room. Vanity dimensions: revitalize your restroom with the modern layout of this washroom sink vanity. Setting up required. Components not included. Mid-century bathroom vanity: bring mid-century intrigue and also contemporary design to a washroom or lavatory with the natural aesthetic, clean lines, and flared account of this sink vanity. Walnut grain vanity. Use mid-century looks with the provide vanity. Render bathroom vanity includes a sturdy MDF as well as particle board framework with smooth walnut grain laminate for tapered wood legs, and also adjustable storage shelf behind 2 soft close hinged doors. A rounded ceramic basin and integrated countertop develop sleek lines and also crisp design for an edgy design made to meet your needs. Flaunting a mid-century modern-day style, this vanity features a solid building and construction with a pleasing look as well as sensible performance. Setting up required and also components not included. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best bathroom vanities amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.